Hi everyone! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today is another Baking 101 and we will make Sylvanas. Sylvanas is a cookie sandwich made of cashew-meringue, filled with buttercream and coated with biscuit crumbs. Let's get baking! The ingredients that we will need are 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. By the way, because there are no available powdered sugar in the shops and I don't have available in my pantry, I blitz the white granulated sugar so I can have powdered sugar. Then 6 egg whites, 1 cup of ground cashew nuts, 1 cup of finely grounded sweet biscuit. You can use digestive or Marie in the Philippines. I'm using graham crackers because I don't have digestive. Then 3/4 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the egg whites. And using a hand mixer or stand mixer, beat the egg whites for about 1 minute. Then, add the cream of tartar. And continue to beat it until soft peaks are formed. Then, gradually add the white sugar and continue beating until it forms stiff peaks. Next, gradually add the ground cashew nuts and fold it gently into the meringue until they are well combined. Fill the meringue in an icing bag with Wilton 1/8 tip. Now, pipe the meringue into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Pipe it into circles or oblong. And to make it easier, I printed a template for it. Smoothen the top using a palette knife. Bake this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is lightly brown. In a bowl, add the butter, and the powdered sugar. Then, cream them together. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Add the milk and continue beating until the buttercream is smooth. Our buttercream is now ready. After baking, remove the meringue from the oven and let it cool in the baking tray for a few minutes. Now, we're going to fill it with buttercream. Sandwich the meringue together and cover the sides. Now, roll it in the graham to coat. After coating the meringue, chill them in the fridge before serving. And here's our finished product! Silvanas are delicious. I hope you're going to try this recipe. I would just like to say thank you to all my subscribers for all their support. We managed to reach 2,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!